Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. In this video, I am going to review this Wild Republic lionfish. Now, the lionfish is one of the most venomous fish in the world. In real life, the lionfish has spines on its fins, tail, and this frill-like thing on top of its body. And what those spines contain is venom. Well, it's not a strong venom, but it's a mild venom. Enough of that. This lionfish looks like how it does in real life. Most lionfish have stripes, kind of like a zebra. But zebras have black and white stripes. Lionfish have orangish, reddish orange stripes and white. Actually, Coyote Peterson from the channel Brave Wilderness got stung by a lionfish. I don't know why he did that, but why he does that is test how his body reacts to the venom. I would not recommend you doing what he did. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button below and subscribe by clicking the raccoon picture at the corner of your screen. Oh, and the rating. I rate this lionfish a 10 out of 10. I recommend people getting this lionfish if they like fish or poisonous animals. Once again, click the like button below and to subscribe, click the raccoon button on the corner of your screen. Oh, one more thing. Stay living Wild Republic. See ya. Bye bye.